Welcome to another CompuByte tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how the CompuByte integrates with its API to the WooCommerce website. Once you're at the CompuByte menu items, you'll choose goods receiving to put your stock in or prepare your stock for the website. You'll choose the items where you're receiving your stock from, the company where you're receiving the stock from. You put the creditor's document number in, and now you put in the PLU code or the SKU code that you want to put onto your website. So you just say I want to put the PLU code 1-1 onto the website. I press enter. It will show me how many units there are, and I'm going to put in 12 units onto the website. I press enter and I put in the 12 units: 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Okay, now I put 12 items to the website. Now if I want to change any of these items, the descriptions of any of these items for the website, I can go to edit stock, and I can change the descriptions for the particular item, like the picture or the web category or the web brand. You see the categories, how are they also put into the CompuByte POS software. Is you put the brand in, whether the brand is Nike, right, and then the subcategory for that will be shoe, and it will be a runner, so you put greater than sign runner. So that's how the categories are basically set up for the WooCommerce website. And I click on update. That's updated for the WooCommerce website. Now I'm going to put another item in, which will not be a size item, it will be a simple stock item. It's 1-2, which is the PLU code, and I'm going to put in, I'm going to go to edit stock item, and here I'm going to put no sizing because it's a simple stock item, and it's the web category is web brand is Canon greater than sign printers, so it will put it in the category Canon and in the subcategory printers. And I can put in my regular price. The regular price is 2,000 rands, and the web sale price is 1,500 rands, and I can update it. Now I've updated the particular web product item, and it's into the system. Now from here, when I end the document, when I'm doing my GRN, I end the document, goods received note. When I end the document, it will update these items directly through the API onto the website. So from here, I click OK, and it will update the website directly. If you want to change these items now that they're published onto the website, if you want to put in further descriptions onto the website, you can go to your WooCommerce backend and go to your products, and choose any of the products and edit them. So you can put in further descriptions that you want into your, while you're editing the particular stock item. You can even put more pictures if you want. You can put in further descriptions or whatever you want onto this particular product. And once you add in the back end, which you'll see, it's in this case it's Alchemy Shop Koza W Edmund. So that's the website you go to, WP Edmund, and it will automatically ask you for your username and password, and then it will take you to this particular back end of the WooCommerce, and you can do your updates here. Once you finish done your updates, you can come back to your CompuByte program, and you can now go to your main menu, and you can see if there was any web sync errors, or you can see what items you updated. Those are items that you updated, or you can see which items were not updated while you were doing your goods received note. It will only not update an item if you lost connectivity to the internet. If you want to see your web orders, you go to web orders, and you'll see what orders have been processed on your website. The other thing about, from the main menu, if you choose web sync to WooCommerce all stock items. That is, if you want to refresh all your stock items onto the website, you will choose this particular, but it's recommended that you don't use this particular item. You only use this particular menu if you want to. You only use this red menu if you want to update all your stocks on a new website. At this point in time, like this Alchemy website that has got already products, so you're not going to re-update those products, so you won't click on this red button. Instead, what you will do is, if you want to update individual items like PLU code 1-1, you just put 1-1 in there and press enter. You click update stock values only, not update all fields. You click on update stock values only and you put 1-1 and you just press enter, and it will update that particular stock item only. Or you can put 1-2 or 1-3, whatever your PLU code is that you want to update, and it will show you what thread it's updating, and it will update it for you. It is important to note that whenever you do a sale on CompuByte POS program, it will automatically update the stock values on the website. However, this is a one-way update. If you sell an item on your WooCommerce website and now you're fulfilling the item, then you have to go back to your cash sales so that you can update your local POS program, and then you open a new account for the customer. You put your access code in there and you put a star. This is important. You have to put a star and then put the customer name. It tells you insert star before name for online store customer. Now just say the person's name was Joe Soap, and you put his details in there, Soap, S-O-A-P, and then you can put in, if you want to put his email address or whatever you want for your database, and a telephone number, you can put it in. Someone put b@786.co.za, and then telephone number is 082410477, and I just updated. Right, and now the item that you sold on your website was, just say 1-1, you put 1-1 and you sold a size 4. You sold a size 4, right, and you just end the document, and now it will update the website accordingly. It updates the website with the web values of the item that was sold on the website. That's how you do a two-way transfer of the CompuByte POS product. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.